Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo, channel of Levitate Style. In this video, we got a Farfetch shop haul. Before we get into this video, please follow me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow along. Also, hit that subscribe button. We got new style video on this channel every week. All right guys, I'm super excited for this shop haul video. Thank you Farfetch for sponsoring this video. We got a lot of good designer stuff. If you didn't know about Farfetch before, I've done shop haul videos with them and I love shopping there. It is a global boutique store, so you can actually buy stuff from different stores around the world. That's been really great when I'm looking for a specific kind of designer item, but it's usually sold out in the stores in New York City. But it could be that one pair of shoes or that one jacket that's the last size and is on sale from a boutique store in Taiwan. That's some of the best ways I've been able to find really good designer items and good sales. And especially during this time with what's happening around the world, this is really great to support local boutique businesses. Also in this video, we got a Nike box. That's always a good sign. If you didn't know, Farfetch also owns Stadium Goods now, and so it's a really great way to pick up sneakers that way, and it's really great for return policy. And I love doing these designer shop haul videos because as we move on in our style journey, we should be investing in better pieces that's better for the environment. And Farfetch is a really great place to pick up designer items. You can also use my custom code LSFF10. I will leave it in the comments in the description below. You're gonna get 10% off at the checkout on farfetch.com. All right guys, I got like 6 different boxes here from all over the place and I'm really excited. I don't even know which one to start. I'm just gonna start with this small box right here first. So this one is really cool. One thing I kind of noticed too is all these different boxes have different stickers on them. This one is from Japan and they have these stickers to show you where it's coming from. This one here. So this first one here I got from Thom Browne. I always love their packaging. It's like really nice and neat with the sticker and the paper and everything. I don't even want to rip this apart. All right, so I picked up these socks and I love it because like the long socks is such a big trend right now in the summer season. And what better way to style it even further, a style upgrade from the usual Nike socks to a pair of designer socks. Now these ones were on sale, so I was able to get these for like 40 bucks. And I gotta say, this is gonna look really dope. This kind of reminds me of like LeBron James when he's rocking all the Thom Browne outfit with the socks. And it's kind of nice to add a little bit of designer look to your street style outfit, your casual outfit. The design is on one side, you got the signature Thom Browne 4 stripes on one side, and then you have the Thom Browne signature tab up at the top here. They always have this on their jacket, the shirts, the shoes. So it's kind of cool to see this on the socks as well. This will probably be like my statement socks, which is kind of funny to even say. This one is from Barcelona in Spain. I love Barcelona, so this is kind of cool to just see where all this stuff is coming from. You order stuff from Farfetch, you never know which boutique store it is, and sometimes it is a local small business boutique, and they'll even have like a handwritten note. So that's like really neat. Some boutique store in Barcelona. Oh, I just ripped this thing like crazy. All right, we got this white track jacket from Ami Paris. Like I mentioned in my other style videos, Ami Paris is one of my favorite designer brands. They're more of a mid-tier, low-tier designer brand. They are a little bit more affordable than most. When you think about like Saint Laurent, that is definitely more on the higher end. This jacket here, I think I've got for like $150. So definitely a good style upgrade from your usual fast fashion, and which is why it's really great to be able to pick up designer items from Farfetch. You can score great deals, great pieces like this for sometimes the same price or even just a little bit more than your usual fast fashion brand. Here is the white track jacket. I love this material. It's a nice like off-white, creamish. As you can see, I'm wearing a white vest. This is definitely more of a cream off-white color. And I love the Ami brand. It's really nice and stylish and minimal at the same time. This is the main logo design on the jacket. Very clean, very sharp. You can easily rock this with any sneakers and you can dress it up this way. I also love picking up sharp and minimalist design pieces like this because this will definitely stay in my wardrobe. This is a good classic essential that it's not something like from fast fashion where the next season, the next year is already kind of broken down or it's not in style anymore. This I can definitely wear year after year. This is a great pickup. The color is great, the material feels really nice, all about the whole fashion conscious and buying better for the environment. All right, which one next? I'm gonna go for this box down here. Let's see. All right, so we got something from Japan, Spain, and now a little something from the UK here with that sticker, if you can see that. And this piece here comes in this department store garment bag. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, this is nice. I got this camo coach jacket here from Maison Kasune. This is another Parisian brand, another brand that I love that is more of a low tier designer brand item here. This was at a really good deal and I just love the style upgrade, the usual camel print track jacket design, but they made it really interesting. So at the top here, they added these long strings that makes it look really cool and interesting. And then on the bottom of the jacket, they added like this belt feature. So I thought that was really cool. I love that on the bottom, when you unzip this, you have this like little belt feature sticking out. So I thought that was really cool. And this is a really nice lightweight jacket that is gonna be great for the summer travel time, when you're going somewhere and you still a light layer just in case it gets cold at night. I love light layer jackets like this because it adds so much to your outfit, so much style, but yet it's very light and you can easily pack this whenever you're going. It doesn't take up too much room, it's not too heavy, but it adds so much to your outfit. And this is a really great way to introduce you guys to other fashion brands, other designers that you probably have never heard of. All right, item number 4, I gotta do the Nike box. I'm so excited for this one. This one actually came directly from Stadium Goods. So like I mentioned earlier, Farfetch actually owns Stadium Goods now, and that's a really great way to pick up sneakers because you can actually try it on and return it, no problem. Let's open this up. Let's see. All right, you got the Nike Sakai paper here, and here it is, the white pair of the Nike Sakai waffle racers. Really excited for these. Super clean. These are great all year round, especially great during the summer season. You can see we got the Stadium Goods tag on there, and wow, this is just so fresh and clean. I got the black pair a few months ago and I did a style video on that, so definitely check that out if you missed it. And I think I mentioned it too, like I like the black pair so much, so I've been kind of eyeing the white pair. I'm so glad these were on Farfetch. I was able to get them at a good price, and they get them directly from Stadium Goods. Woo, that fresh smell, wow. It smells so good. And it comes with extra laces if you want to swap them out. Quick overview of the Nike Sakai here. What I love about this, it's obviously very nice and clean. You got so many different types of material. You have the white leather, this like gray suede color, and the laces are interesting. They have this like wide ribbon lace, and then the really thin, like a dress shoe type of laces here. So double laces, double swoosh, double everything. And that's the beauty of this whole Nike Sakai collab. I love the waffle racer style. It is like a runner sneaker. You can wear them all day. It's really comfortable. And obviously with the white color, it can match with everything. Even just wearing around the house, you know, when I'm working from home, wearing a pair of sneakers, feel a little bit more productive, like I'm getting dressed. Really nice and clean. Let's see how clean I can keep these by the end of summer. But overall, very excited to add this to my sneaker collection. As you can see, another one that I really wanted for a while. And yeah, thanks Farfetch. All right, next up, I have this shirt from Casablanca. So this has been a really popular and emerging designer brand the past year. It's been pretty crazy to see this brand come out of nowhere. And now you see a lot of celebrities, athletes wearing this brand. And rightfully so. I love the crazy design. This is one of their like summer shirts. I love this color. It's a really nice and easy to wear color. This navy blue with this lighter blue design. And you have this pink trim going throughout. Really nice. And then on the back here is crazy. We got this like crazy pink, yellow dragon going around. Overall, it's a fun summer pattern shirt. I can also match this with a lot of things, so that's kind of fun. A lot of cool colors to play with. Casablanca is definitely a brand you should check out. Emerging brand for sure. And they have a lot of cool shirts, so definitely check them out on Farfetch. All right, guys, last but not least in this shop haul video, we got something from Italy. Woof. This is probably my favorite in all of this. There is definitely the splurge and style upgrade in this whole shop haul video. This is so nice. Oh man. All right, here we go. We got this sweater here from Versace. This one came directly from Versace in Milan in Italy. And damn, this is nice. Ooh. Wow. All right. So what caught my eye on Farfetch was the design on this zip sweater here. I just love what they did with this panel design. You got the sleeves in this navy color, and then you got the gray design in the middle with Versace, and then this really nice gold color to go in the middle. Yeah, this is definitely a huge style upgrade from my usual hoodie and sweater that I wear at home. This is definitely a nice designer piece that I'm gonna keep probably forever. I'm gonna wear this a lot. I love this piece because it is a sweater at the end of the day, but the Versace design just elevates the look. It's definitely much more upscale. You can easily dress this up or down. Chelsea boots to hype sneakers, whatever it is, this will look really great. And also I ordered this in mind to match with the sneaker as well. The white and the gray matches with the design, the white and the gray in the sweater. All right, so there you have it, guys. My latest shop haul video from Farfetch. And I love all these amazing designer pieces that I picked up. I got something from Japan, Spain, UK, Italy. Really cool to have all these different pieces from all over the world. I have all these items linked in the description below. And also remember to use my code LSFF10 for 10% off when you check out on Farfetch.com. Let me know in the comments which one of these items is your favorite. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.